Book summary: Follow Me, a thriller by Elizabeth Rose Quinn. Elizabeth Rose Quinn's Follow Me. Thriller is gripping and chilling exploration of the dark side of social media influencer culture and the dangerous lengths to which people will go to maintain their perfect online facades. The novel follows Adrienne Shaw, a determined woman seeking answers about her missing twin sister Chiara, who disappeared after attending an exclusive retreat for influencers. As goes undercover in a world of curated perfection, she finds herself trapped in a web of deception, control, and deadly secrets. Plot overview: The disappearance of Chiara. Adrienne Shaw and her twin sister Chiara have always had a complicated relationship. While Adrienne is pragmatic and skeptical, Chiara is ambitious and thrives in the world of social media, carefully crafting her online persona as a successful momfluencer. Despite their differences, Adrienne still cares deeply for her sister, which is why she cannot accept that Chiara vanished without trace after attending an influence retreat 1 year ago. Adrienne's brother-in-law and law enforcement have given up on finding Chiara, assuming she left voluntarily or met with an unfortunate but untraceable fate. However, Adrienne believes otherwise. She is convinced that something sinister happened at the influencer retreat where Chiara was last seen. With no other leads and no support, Adrienne makes a bold decision. She will infiltrate the very retreat that swallowed Chiara whole, posing as social media influencer herself to uncover the truth. Infiltrating the influencer retreat. The influencer retreat, held on an exclusive remote ranch in Northern California, is run by a charismatic and enigmatic leader known only as Vivian. The retreat promises to help influencers refine their brands, grow their followings, and achieve success beyond their wildest dreams. However, as Adrienne quickly realizes, the attendees of this retreat are not merely social media personalities looking for guidance. They are desperate women who have become entirely dependent on the retreat structure and the authority of its leader. The environment is unnervingly controlled. Attendees are stripped of their personal belongings, subjected to carefully curated schedules, and expected to participate in bizarre rituals that promote growth and enlightenment. The retreat is a paradise of curated content. Beautiful settings, picture-perfect moments, and unwavering positivity. But beneath the surface, Adrienne senses something deeply disturbing. The cult-like control of Vivian. Vivian, the mastermind behind the retreat, is equal parts mentor, leader, and dictator. She exudes charm and wisdom, drawing the women in with promises of success and fulfillment. However, her control over the influencers is absolute. Through psychological manipulation, social isolation, and strict regulations, Vivian ensures that those who enter the retreat never want or dare to leave. Adrienne quickly realizes that Vivian has an eerie ability to anticipate her every move. Every interaction feels like test. Every word spoken must be carefully measured. As Adrienne plays along, pretending to embrace the influencer lifestyle, she uncovers the sinister truth behind the retreat. Vivian does not just create successful influencers. She controls them. Those who fail to comply or question her methods disappear, just like Chiara. Unraveling the mystery, determined to find out what happened to her sister, Adrienne begins investigating the other women at the retreat. She discovers that many of them arrived under mysterious circumstances and that some have seemingly vanished, their social media accounts still active, but devoid of any real personality, likely controlled by someone else. Adrienne also finds chilling evidence that Chiara was at the retreat much longer than anyone admitted. Journal entries, hidden notes, and secret messages from past attendees paint a horrifying picture of coercion, identity theft, and something far worse: permanent disappearances. As Adrienne digs deeper, she realizes that she too is in danger. The deeper she gets into Vivian's world, the harder it becomes to maintain her cover. Her growing suspicion is that Vivian's reach extends far beyond the retreat itself. The social media empire she has built is not just network. It is machine designed to manipulate, erase, and replace influencers at will. Race against time. Adrienne knows she is running out of time. Vivian's suspicion increases, and the retreat's carefully controlled environment becomes more suffocating. The once friendly women around her now act as watchful eyes, reporting anything unusual to Vivian. As Adrienne's facade begins to crumble, she realizes she has only one chance to escape, and to expose the truth about what happened to Chiara. In a pulse-bounding climax, Adrienne uncovers evidence that Vivian and her team are not just influencing social media personas. They are orchestrating the complete erasure and replacement of real people. Influencers who no longer serve their purpose are made to disappear, and new identities are crafted in their place. Chiara, Adrienne learns, tried to fight back and paid the ultimate price. With everything at stake, Adrienne makes a daring attempt to flee the retreat, but Vivian is always one step ahead. In harrowing final confrontation, Adrian must outwit the mastermind behind the retreat and escape before she becomes just another ghost in the influencer machine. Themes and analysis: the dark side of social media. Quinn explores the intoxicating yet dangerous world of social media influence. The retreat serves as a metaphor for the pressures of online perfection, highlighting how influencers often lose themselves in the pursuit of success and validation. Identity and control. At its core, Follow Me is about identity, both online and offline. It raises questions about autonomy, manipulation, and the psychological of maintaining persona. Vivian's retreat doesn't just create influencers, it molds, erases, and replaces them, showcasing the ultimate loss of identity in the digital age. Sisterhood and determination. Adrian's relentless pursuit of the truth stems from her deep, complicated love for Chiara. Despite their differences, Adrian refuses to let her sister become another forgotten name. The novel underscores themes of loyalty, resilience, and the power of familial bonds. Critical reception and impact. Follow Me has been praised for its suspenseful storytelling, satirical take on influencer culture, and chilling portrayal of psychological manipulation. Elizabeth Rose Quinn masterfully crafts thriller that is as thought-provoking as it is terrifying. The novel's themes of identity, control, and deception make it stand out in the psychological thriller genre. The book has also been optioned for a film adaptation by MGM Studios, promising to bring its dark and twisted narrative to the big screen. With its mix of psychological horror and social commentary, Follow Me is set to be one of the most talked about thrillers of the year. Conclusion: Elizabeth Rose Quinn's Follow Me thriller is an intense, gripping novel that delves into the sinister realities of influencer culture through the eyes of Adrian. Readers are taken on a suspenseful journey that reveals the dark underbelly of social media fame. As Adrian fights to uncover the truth about her sister's disappearance, she exposes a world where online personas are more valuable than real lives, and where stepping out of line can mean disappearing forever. With its razor-sharp social commentary, chilling twists, and an unforgettable protagonist, Follow Me is must-read for fans of psychological thrillers and mysteries.